Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming PowerPoint is installed and updated on this machine. You want the offline build to avoid missing features. Next, collect all assets, images, fonts, video files, and templates into one project folder so nothing is referenced online. Once done, open PowerPoint and set autosave to a short interval. Make sure it saves to a local drive, not cloud storage. This reduces sync errors, preserves versions, and gets you ready to build slides reliably without internet access. You now construct the presentation using only local resources. Insert and embed media so files remain inside the PPTX rather than linked to online sources. When you use custom fonts, either install them locally or convert text to shapes to avoid substitution when presenting on another machine. Once done, inspect slide size and compress images to 150-220 ppi to balance clarity and file size. Also check transitions and embedded video playback in slideshow mode, so you finish by running the slideshow end-to-end on the same computer you will use for presentation. Verify video playback, animations, and fonts. When satisfied, save a final version with a clear version tag on a local drive and create a backup copy on a USB stick. If things go wrong, relink any broken media, reinstall missing fonts, or export to PDF as an emergency fallback that preserves layout. Finally, rehearse timing and rehearse once more to ensure confidence without relying on the internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.